We'll guide you through how to add FFmpeg to Minecraft. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure you already have Minecraft and the replay mod installed on your computer. Before proceeding, you must ensure that FFmpeg is installed on your system. If you have not installed it yet, simply open the official FFmpeg website and click directly on the standard Windows icon. Carefully click on the Windows builds from guidehub.ch link to safely access the specific builds proudly provided by guidehub. Here, you will clearly see detailed instructions on exactly how to properly install FFmpeg using standard package managers exactly like 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗂𝗂𝗃 or 𝗕𝘂𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃. Safely choose exactly whichever package manager you currently have installed directly on your personal computer. For a clear instructional example today, I have actually already successfully installed FFmpeg actively using 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃. To accurately locate your exact FFmpeg installation path, smoothly proceed directly to the very next step. Safely open your standard PowerShell application. Carefully type the exact command GCM space FFmpeg and firmly press enter on your active computer keyboard. Carefully and completely copy the exact source path of your standard FFmpeg executable file that is clearly displayed directly inside the active terminal window. Let us safely create a completely new test recording absolutely first by securely opening Minecraft, actively going straight into single player, and successfully loading directly into a world. After smoothly moving around a little bit, firmly press the standard escape key and safely choose to securely quit and perfectly save the active record. Safely go straight back directly to the main menu. Successfully open the standard replay viewer and securely select the specific recording that we just successfully created earlier today. Inside the active replay viewer, perfectly add some position keyframes and time keyframes. Make absolutely sure to safely place exactly at least 2 of each to successfully create a smooth camera path specifically for active rendering. After perfectly setting up your completely new camera path, firmly press the render button and completely scroll directly down to perfectly find the standard command line settings menu. Safely paste the exact FFmpeg executable path that we successfully copied earlier directly from PowerShell straight into the command input box. Finally, safely try rendering the completely new video to perfectly make absolutely sure FFmpeg is successfully integrated and working perfectly with your Minecraft replay mod.